Okay, so we just have time for another couple of songs. I want to thank everybody at the National Print Museum for letting us here. It's been a real privilege, especially Rachel, Jacinta and Kieran. Thanks for letting us in and hanging around. I want to thank Rob and Jono and Paul on sound as well. Thanks guys, legends. This is a new one called Revolution. We'll do this for all our musician and artistic friends who are struggling for a few shillings during COVID. I'm afraid the gold is gone. We're thrown from shoulders. They left us on our own. Words are fine. Give praise when all is well. They help us fly, but we fell, but we fell. So suck it up and give a smile, turn the other cheek a while. Revolution, we're drowning in the currency. Everything you do is for free. Revolution. Bow our heads, tip our caps. As the wagons roll, pour the silver, they steal the soul. So suck it up and give a smile, turn the other cheek.